In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create desktop shortcut of new Microsoft Outlook on Windows. Creating a quick access shortcut for Microsoft Outlook on your Windows desktop or taskbar can significantly improve your workflow and save you valuable time during your daily tasks. Instead of searching through menus every time you need to open your email, you can launch Outlook instantly with a single click. This method works smoothly on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it only takes a few moments to set up. To begin, make sure you are on your computer's main screen. From there, look at the bottom left corner of your display and select the Start button. This is the Windows icon located on the taskbar, and clicking it will open the Start menu where all your installed applications are displayed. Once the menu is open, you will need to locate Microsoft Outlook. You can either scroll through the list of apps or use the search function at the top of the menu to quickly find it. Simply type Outlook, and the system will display the application in the search results. When you see the Outlook application, proceed by selecting it and opening the context menu. This is done by right-clicking on the app, which will reveal a list of available actions. Among these options, look for the feature that allows you to pin the application to your taskbar. Choosing this option will immediately create a shortcut and place the Outlook icon at the bottom of your screen for easy access. Once pinned, the Outlook shortcut will remain visible on your taskbar, allowing you to open the application instantly whenever needed. This is especially useful if you use Outlook frequently for managing emails, calendars, and work-related communication. Having it pinned reduces the time spent navigating through menus and helps you stay more productive throughout the day. If at any point you decide you no longer want the shortcut, you can easily remove it by right-clicking the Outlook icon on the taskbar and selecting the option to unpin it. This gives you full control over how your desktop is organized without affecting the application itself. And that's it. You have successfully created a convenient shortcut for Microsoft Outlook on Windows, making your access faster and your workflow more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.